Subscription services unlocks access to critical customer portal resources. Exploring these links, you'll find resources that truly maximize your SOLIDWORKS experience. Here, you'll find a complete set of software downloads to get the latest or previous versions of SOLIDWORKS. Our knowledge base has been meticulously curated by certified SOLIDWORKS experts, filled with in-depth info and resources such as solutions, help topics, best practices, administrative guides, and technical presentations, ensuring everything is available, relevant, and timely. Also available on the customer portal is the CAD Admin Dashboard. This provides a comprehensive view of your company's assets and software performance. With subscription services, you have a loud voice to our product management teams through enhancement requests. Like I mentioned, 90% of our enhancements are community-driven,